Okay, here we go with lesson 7, or topic 7, lesson 1. And we are talking about division. And since this is new, I wanted to go over what it was for everybody. When you're talking about division, we're talking about dividing something. Dividing is making equal groups. If I have, say, 30 apples and I need to put them into groups or baskets of apples, I need to divide them. I need to separate them into different groups. So, a good way to think of division is the opposite of multiplication. You know that addition is the opposite of subtraction and vice versa. So, think of dividing is making those equal groups and is the opposite of multiplication. When you divide, you want to find how many groups there are or how many are in each group. So let's do some examples. And we'll start with I've got these green Brussels sprouts, and my 3 friends want to have some of my Brussels sprouts. So I said, sure, I'm going to share, but I want to share equally. I want to make sure that each friend gets the same amount. So let's take a look and see how many Brussels sprouts do I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 Brussels sprouts, and I want to make sure that each friend gets the same amount. So we could say 1 for you and 1 for you. 1 for you. And now back to this red person, back to this person, over to here. And there we go. Well, each person got the same amount. I didn't have anything left over. So I had equal groups. Each person got the same amount. And I would say that problem is 9 Brussels sprouts divided by the 3 people. That's what the symbol here means, that we're going to divide, equals how many Brussels sprouts per person. When we take a look at our picture here, we see we've got 1, 2, 3 for that person, 1, 2, 3 for the second person, and 1, 2, 3 for the third person. Each person got 3 Brussels sprouts. It was equal grouping. Well, what if I had a larger problem? 40 divided by 5. I have 40 cookies, and I need to put them in 5 boxes. So how many cookies go into each box? Well, you can see that I created a table here with 40 on the top, and I have my 5 parts. So the 5 parts comes from right here. And you need to think, all right, let's do it until we fill the boxes up until we get to 40. And I could do tallies 1. And I would keep going here. And feel free to skip ahead till the end of the tallies. And we're at 4 in each. And 4 times 5 is 20, so we're about halfway. We'll go here. We got 6 now in each group. 7. And there we go. And now I finished, and I finally have all 40 cookies in all 5 boxes, separated into 5 boxes. So 40 divided by 5, well, it's not going to be 40, but how many go into this one box? So we say 8. That's right, we have 8. 40 divided by 5 is 8. You think of that fact, family, that 40 divided by 5 equals 8, because we know that 8 times 5 would be our 40. What I want you to do right now is to divide 12 things into 4 equal groups. And for tomorrow morning, I want you to tell me, what is our number sentence? Divide 12 things into 4 equal groups. Come up with your division number sentence and your answer. We'll take a look at it tomorrow morning.